Ever open your bank statement and see an unexpected charge from Rocket Money? What the heck was that for, you might think? Don't worry, you're not alone. Rocket Money can sometimes be a bit mysterious when it comes to its pricing. Rocket Money is a fantastic tool. It helps you cancel subscriptions, find and negotiate lower bills, and even identify and refund past charges. But like most financial tools, it comes with a cost. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, that $5 zero charge. There are a few possible explanations. Monthly subscription fee. The most likely culprit is the Rocket Money monthly subscription fee. Explain, Rocket Money operates on a subscription model. You typically pay a monthly fee for access to their platform and its features. Clarify, the exact amount can vary depending on the plan you've chosen. Suggest, check your account settings to confirm your subscription plan and the associated monthly fee. Negotiation fee. Rocket Money offers a bill negotiation service. Explain, if you use this service and Rocket Money successfully negotiates a lower rate for a bill, like internet or insurance, they may charge a fee for their services. Clarify, this fee is usually a percentage of the savings they achieve. Suggest, review your transaction history to see if you recently used the negotiation service and if a corresponding negotiation fee was applied. Refund processing fee. Rocket Money helps you identify and claim refunds for past charges. Explain, they may charge a small fee for processing these refunds. Clarify, this fee is usually a percentage of the refunded amount. Suggest, check your transaction history to see if you recently received a refund facilitated by Rocket Money. One-time setup fee. Some plans might include a one-time setup fee when you first sign up for Rocket Money. Clarify, this is typically a one-time charge and shouldn't recur unless you change your plan. Technical glitch. In rare cases, there might be a technical glitch or an error in their billing system that resulted in an incorrect charge. Provide actionable steps to investigate and resolve the issue. Review your account. Start by carefully reviewing your Rocket Money account settings, including your subscription plan, billing history, and any recent transactions related to negotiations or refunds. Check your email. Look for any emails from Rocket Money regarding your subscription, charges, or recent activity. These emails often provide detailed information about your account and any recent transactions. Contact Rocket Money support. If you're still unsure about the $50 charge, contact Rocket Money's customer support. Clearly explain the issue and provide any relevant information, such as the date of the charge, the amount, and your subscription plan. Be polite and patient. Customer support representatives are usually helpful and can quickly investigate the issue and provide a resolution. Review your bank statement. Double-check your bank statement to ensure the $50 charge was actually made by Rocket Money. Sometimes, unauthorized charges can appear on your statement. Offer general tips for managing Rocket Money subscriptions and charges. Understand your plan. Before subscribing to Rocket Money, carefully read the terms and conditions of the plan you're choosing. Pay close attention to any recurring fees, one-time charges, and potential negotiation fees. Monitor your account. Regularly review your Rocket Money account activity, including your subscription status, recent transactions, and any notifications from the platform. Utilize billing notifications. Enable email or in-app notifications for any upcoming charges or subscription renewals. Cancel unused subscriptions. If you're no longer using Rocket Money, cancel your subscription to avoid recurring charges. Address potential concerns and offer reassurances. Is Rocket Money worth it? Rocket Money can be a valuable tool, especially if you have numerous subscriptions or struggle to negotiate lower bills. However, it's crucial to weigh the cost of the subscription against the potential savings and benefits. Are there alternatives? Yes, there are several alternatives to Rocket Money, such as Truebill, Trim, and Honey. These platforms offer similar features, such as subscription tracking, bill negotiation, and refund finding. Research and compare these alternatives to find the best option for your needs and budget. In summary, Unexpected charges from Rocket Money can often be attributed to subscription fees, negotiation fees, refund processing fees, or one-time setup fees. By carefully reviewing your account, contacting customer support, and understanding your subscription plan, you can quickly resolve the issue and ensure you're only paying for the services you're using. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.